More witnesses taking the stand in a murder trial of Ethan Gratton. He's the Vermont man accused of shooting two people in 2017 in his driveway, killing one and injuring the other. NBC5's Ross Ketchke was in the courtroom today during the emotional testimony. He joins us now live from St. Albans with more. Ross.
Well, guys, just a few hours ago, prosecutors wrapped up their second day of calling witnesses to the stand. Now, that included several neighbors who offered emotional testimony of what they saw at that scene 2 years ago.
When I got near Dave, I hollered. I hollered back to my dad that I couldn't get near him.
An emotional day of testimony in the trial of Ethan Gratton as neighbors recount what they saw on a dirt road in Georgia 2 years ago.
I ran right up to Dave, and there was a big pool of blood running down the road. I didn't realize what had happened. And I felt of his neck was cold.
Gratton is charged with second-degree murder and attempted murder after shooting Dave Hill and Mark Brito outside his home. According to court documents, Gratton fought with the two men after their logging truck blocked and backed into his driveway before shooting them. Hill was pronounced dead at the scene. Brito was badly injured.
He said that Dave Hill, he hit me in the face. So at that point, I went inside, got a gun, came back out and shot him. And then the other guy, he said he came around in front of the truck, so I shot him too.
One witness recounting his interaction with Gratton just after the shooting.
He seemed agitated, he was pacing. I could see that he had his zip-up hoodie on, he had no shoes. He had blood on his shirt, I could see his nose was bloody, his mouth was bloody.
But the defense pointed to several discrepancies between his testimony and what he told police 2 years ago.
You didn't know the correct answer. The correct answer was it had no zipper.
Right.
But you offered an answer anyway.
Right.
They're arguing the state doesn't have enough evidence to prove Gratton wasn't acting in self-defense and pointed to conflicting information on exactly what the defendant was wearing to highlight potential holes in witness testimony.
I am not suggesting you are a liar, but is it possible that you were just supplying answers to what you were asked at that moment?
Now, jurors also heard from state police and EMS responders, who some of the first ones on scene 2 years ago, and they're expected back here in court tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. Live in St. Albans, Ross Ketchke, NBC5 News.